news clip. That there was a news clip that one Assam MLA had made a statement that that the voters who are to vote, who are residing in Assam and who are to vote in the 6 polling stations would not be allowed to come to vote. So, however, from the office of the CEO, from the state government, they have taken very prompt cognizance of this. And as the CEC had already assured, I think when we came here on the 13th, right, when there was a press conference, he had already assured that anyone who has his name enrolled in polling station, wherever he resides, will not be disallowed his right to vote. I think all of you remember that commitment which the CEC gave. And to give effect to this commitment, the authorities from Meghalaya and the authorities from Assam, they worked jointly to ensure that that no interference would be there to the voters of these about 2,000 plus voters residing in these border areas to come and vote on polling day. And today also there was no interference, and in fact we are grateful to the authorities from Assam who have ensured that these voters come and vote without any fear. And they would be able to exercise the franchise without interference.